Not that many on the ground yet, but starting to get some color change in the trees, starting to get, these storm systems passing in, much like the one on Friday, even though it went mostly south of us as it did pass, brought in that wind yesterday. That's going to happen again this weekend. So starting to get to, get the leaf blower out and get the rake out as well. It's a mostly dry midweek. Both tomorrow and Wednesday will feature a slight chance of a late afternoon shower. A little bit less numerous than what we saw out there today, but even today was a pretty decent day. Thursday is your pick of the week, folks. Lock it in. No questions there. Rain will arrive Friday, and it is going to extend into the weekend. How much of the weekend, I will let you know in a second, but it's the 7th in a row with some rain. Here are your observations right now. Temperatures in the mid-50s right now. We're starting to cool off pretty nicely. Again, a few clouds and showers out there. You can't really tell on the Doppler sweep right here. You just see showers, but when I throw it in motion now with the SatRad, you can see the trend and how these showers are beginning to shrink. You're not seeing any really heavy radar returns, the yellows, the oranges, it's just more green, which is showing the weakening and the dissipation of these showers as we lose the heating of the day. Let's go way on over here to the west coast, Pacific Northwest up into parts of Canada right now. New storm system moving ashore. This is going to be the energy for our next version of a weekend storm. So again, can't rule out a shower over the next hour to 90 minutes, but really beginning to dry out overnight. Except for extreme eastern portions, the showers look like they want to hang on here. They're a little bit closer to that low offshore, so they don't really need the heating per se of the day to help them. But anything over land that pops up the next couple of days will be more of a daytime induced storm. I think we start off nice and sunny. Clouds will start to build into the afternoon, and a couple of those could spit out a spritz or a sprinkle. But outside of that, again, not bad days. Chilly mornings, temperatures in the 40s we wake up to. We'll only be topping out in the low 60s the next 2 days. But Thursday we warm up a little bit more of a southwest wind ahead of that next system. Here it comes. Clouds increase on Friday. We could see a little bit of rain, prefrontal rain ahead of the actual storm, which is back here. Then that begins to move in on Saturday. And then behind that, again, remember I mentioned the wind turning breezy, chillier as we head into Sunday and especially Monday. Tonight, 45 degrees. Again, a few clouds, but dry for the most part. Chilly, light north winds. Tomorrow, 62. Morning sunshine. Afternoon clouds and an isolated shower. Here's your 7-day forecast. Thursday, again, pick of the week. Highs getting close to 70 with lots of sun. Friday, the next storm arrives, so not a washout, but I do think we'll see a couple of periods of rain. Saturday, rain and a rumble. Yes, there could be a couple of thunderstorms along the way. Sunday is clearing out, but breezy and only 59 degrees. And look at the overnight low, down around 40. I think we'll see a lot of widespread 30s, indicating that we could have our first frost of the year for parts of the area, and a chilly day on Monday, high of only 53.